And this is a big Times Now exclusive. We have access Indrani's daughter Vidhi's statement to the CBI that she gave the CBI on the 16th of October 2015. Vidhi has spoken about her relationship with Sheena and Rahul's relationship as well. Well, this statement accessed exclusively by Times Now, in which Vidhi, of course, has spoken about her relationship with Sheena and Rahul's relationship. This statement was made by Vidhi, given by Vidhi to the CBI on the 16th of October 2015. This is a big exclusive news break. We're getting more details of that statement that Vidhi has now given to the CBI. In fact, she gave a statement on the 16th of October 2015, speaking about her relationship with Sheena and also detailing on the relationship between Sheena and Rahul Mukherjee. Going across live to Megha for more on that. Megha, extremely important statement of Vidhi. In fact, she also goes on to speak about how Sanjeev Khanna, her father's reaction was when she confronted him about Sheena Bora's whereabouts.
Well, we'll come to that part of Vidhi's statement. You know, that's in fact the last paragraph in the statement of Vidhi when she talks about her own father, Sanjeev Khanna. But this is the statement, and Pradeep is going to pan the camera. This is the statement of Vidhi Mukherjee as it has been given to the CBI. Again, a part of the investigation that they have done, the papers that they have submitted in the court. This is the next crucial statement after what we broke 2 hours ago, the statement of Rahul Mukherjee. This is the statement of Vidhi, the next most important statement in, of course, and I'm going to keep the statement here. You take a good look at the statement. It's a 3-page statement of Vidhi Mukherjee, and the statement again throws a lot of light on exactly what was the nature of relationship between Sheena and Indrani. I beg your pardon, there's a bit of a trouble with the earpiece. The nature of relationship between Sheena, Indrani, Rahul and Peter. It does talk about a lot of crucial things which will make you understand, you know, where both Peter and Sheena perhaps were, Peter and Indrani were perhaps lying. Now, if I could read out the important parts here, she says, I further state that in 2005, while I was in class 3, Sheena Bora came to reside with us at our Marlow flat. That time, my mom introduced her as a younger sister. Again, Mikhail Bora came to Mumbai and my mother introduced him as a younger brother. Sometime in the year 2009, I came to know that Sheena and Rahul were having love affair. That is why my father Peter and mother Indrani Mukherjee used to quarrel over the said affair. My mother always dislikes, and these are the important lines because it comes from somebody who sort of is neutral in that family.